Good morning to one and all present here, and I want to speak about the importance of language. Language is most important for our daily life. Language helps us to express our feelings and thoughts, unique ideas to our species. Is way is important to our express unique ideas and customs within different culture. And today English is most important for our daily life. English is the most essential language in our world. In many countries, English is the most spoken in in every country, and you know english you know english country very easily, and if you know a good job and very confident to us. English gives more confidence to us, and English is the most beautiful language in the world. Sanskrit is the first spoken language in the world back as 5000 BC, and oldest language is Tamil, the oldest language in the Tamil. And I want to say again, language is most important for our daily life. Language helps us to express our feelings and thought, unique ideas. Thank you.